I want to start this video with a simple question. Should you actually spend time and money on the AWS AI Practitioner certification? Or is it just another checkbox exam? Because after taking and passing this exam myself, I realized something important. This certification makes a lot of sense for some people and almost no sense for others. So in this video, I will break it all down honestly. Hi, I'm Anna. For those who don't know me, I have 14 AWS certifications, 13 Azure certifications, and 7 Google Cloud Platform certifications. And I'm also a Golden Astronaut. What you will learn from this video. Here's exactly what I will cover. What the AWS AI Practitioner exam really tests, why I personally decided to take it, how I prepared, what exam felt like on test day, and whether I think it's worth it in 2026. No fluff, just honesty. What is the AWS AI Practitioner certification? Let's level set first. This is a foundational certification focused on artificial intelligence concepts, machine learning basics, generative AI ideas, and how AWS positions its AI services. This exam is not about coding models, and it's not about deep math. It's about understanding what exists, why it exists, and when to use it. The current version of the exam has 65 questions. 90 minutes, costs $100, and can be taken online or at a test center. Why I decided to take this exam? For me, the motivation wasn't collect another cert. I already had experience with cloud and AI concepts, but I wanted to understand how AWS frames AI end-to-end. Not just tools, but use cases, responsibility, and governance. Basically, I wanted to zoom out instead of going deeper technically. That's exactly what this exam forces you to do. And here's how I prepare for the exam. I started doing a course from Udemy for the theory. I chose this one from Stefan Marek, that it is 10.5 hours long and it's really well done. And then I went to the practice exams. I did this one that includes 4 practice exams and 260 questions. And also there are more. You can do as well this one that includes 6 practice exams. And if you want even more practice exams, you can go to Tutorials Dojo and buy this course that includes 1 randomized test and 3 practice exams plus flashcards, which is a good deal for only $12.99 US. And let's check the specs for the exam. So this exam is 90 minutes long. It has 65 questions that are either multiple choice or multiple response, and it costs $100 US. You can do it either on a testing center or online at Proctor, and it's available in multiple languages. And I think that if you use the resources that I mentioned, you should be able to pass the exam on your first try. What you should focus on. If you're preparing, prioritize core AI concepts, training, overfitting, data types, generative AI basics, SageMaker, Bedrock, and Q use cases, responsible AI and governance, security and compliance at a high level. This exam rewards conceptual clarity, not memorization. Is it actually worth it? Here's my honest answer. It is worth it if you are new to AI or cloud. You want AI literacy without deep coding. You work in business, product or consulting. You want a structured entry point into AI. It's probably not worth it if you already build AI systems professionally. You want deep technical implementation skills. This certification is a starting line, not a finish line. Final thoughts. Think of the AWS AI Practitioner as learning the language before writing the novel. It gives you context, confidence, and direction. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. If you're currently studying for this exam or thinking about taking it, let me know in the comments. And if this video helped clarify things for you, a like really helps the channel grow. I'll see you in the next one.